This water feature we rescued from the landfill. And we've had it for years, but last year it kind of cracked and broke and it leaked out the bottom. I'll show you what we did to fix it. Stick with me. So this comes in, it's actually in two pieces. At the top here, it really looks like rock. It's just blows my mind. It's fiberglass. Yeah, it blows my mind. It's been pretty beat up and banged up over the years. But what's happened is that the bottom cracked. And I tried all these fancy products to say, oh, just paint this on and it'll stop leaks. Nothing works. Don't buy that stuff. It's not worth it. And even when you do use it, it'll last for a year. The next spring, it's peeling and cracking and all kinds of stuff. So don't use it. So what I did instead, is I took this, which did have one time have a bottom, and I cut the bottom out. Cut the bottom out. Put a container in there. The container works really well. So let's set this up. Long time ago, these lockers were on sale. I paid like 14 bucks for them. I cut them all up, use them for different kind of projects. This is going to sit inside, just like this. That's it. Right. So I just set it in there upside down. I'm going to roll it over. That's what I'm going to fill up with water. That's pretty much how it's going to sit. Okay, well, let's get the rest of the stuff in there that we're putting down there. It's an underwater light. So this, I'm going to drop it through the access hole and into the pond. We get a lot of clogging. So I want to put the pump inside of a basket, and it's going to sit like this. So the water is going to go through there, but the leaves won't. We get a lot of leaves from our chestnut tree, and it's horrible. Pump is a standard mag drive pump. I don't leave it out over winter. So this is very simple. Simply got to put the hose on it. So, I got this big rock. I put that on top of the container to weigh it down so that it doesn't just float away. So once you got the pump in there and the hose coming up, you can connect your top piece. Okay. So there's a connection here that we got to make. It's kind of awkward a bit. So I got to reach in from the back. I'm going to get the hose and I'm going to press it over the fitting. It goes up to the top. There we go. Then I can set it back on there. Let's put some water in it. Don't need that burn. Don't need that burn. If this video made you happy, hit a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. We have one more water feature to set up, and then I'm going to get to work on the pond. That pond's going to be a project over the next few weeks. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. So subscribe and hit the notification. Then you'll know that when we're got another video coming.
Just going to do a bit more cleaning up here. We're going to call this water feature done as well.